Hi, this is how you connect a PS4 or PS5 controller to your iPhone or iPad to use it to play any game with controller support. First, open Settings and then select Bluetooth on your iPhone or iPad. Then on your PS4 or PS5 controller, push and hold the PS button and the Share button simultaneously for about 3 seconds until the controller starts blinking rapidly with a blue light. Now the controller should appear in the bottom of the list of devices in the Bluetooth settings. Here, just tap on it to connect it to your iPhone or iPad. Then it's just a matter of opening a game and playing. Usually controller support is only available for the in-game controls and not while navigating menus, etc., which typically still has to be done using the normal touch interface. Also, when you're done gaming and want to use the controller with another device, make sure to again enter the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone or iPad, select the little eye symbol next to the controller in question and pick to forget it. Alright, that's about that. Thank you for watching. Bye.